Welcome to this video. So in this video, I'll show you I built out a VS Code compiler and web development IDE directly inside the browser. So with the help of this, you will actually write code in HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and automatically it will show you the live preview. It will compile the code side by side. So it's a web development IDE and compiler which runs entirely in the browser. It's a single page Next.js static application. So I developed this from scratch. So if you need the source code of this, you can directly purchase it. So you will see each and every component is coded inside uh, its appropriate file. So you can easily customize it and add additional features as well. So we are using actually the Next.js latest version, as you can see. And we are also using code mirror library for building this syntax highlighting compiler. So as you will see, we have written this HTML code right here, and you can write as much code. So it's a VS Code clone. So automatically as you write the elements, so it has all the functionality of VS Code which runs entirely in the browser. This is now the CSS code. So here it has all the autocomplete functionality. You will see all these autocomplete functionalities are coming. So can see that. So it's a automatic compiler for web development. So if you're doing web development, it will be a very good project. You will get to know that how I coded this from scratch. So if you get the source code, it's very easy for you to deploy this as well. And now inside this here, you will, so let me just write some, I just add a button right here. You will see that. And we can just attach an ID here to the button. So you can even download the file as well. So you also have the save button as well. So once you click the save button, so you'll see as I click the button, the JavaScript is also compiling and executing. So you can anytime you can click the save button to actually download the file. It will download this, as you can just see right here. So it's also very looking nice as well, because the syntax highlighting the color combination, it will also add this line numbers as well. So if you are interested in purchasing this, definitely purchase it using the latest version of Next and React. It's a syntax highlighting compiler and web development IDE similar to VS Code. And you can even see the result in a new window by just clicking right here, and it will open it in new window. So here you can paste your HTML, CSS, JavaScript and do the web development directly in the browser. It's essentially a compiler which actually compiles your code in real time, and it's also very easy for you to deploy this. And once you purchase it, you will get the source code from Google Drive, and if you face any sort of problem, you can message me. So you can just see here, this is actually, you can add more features on top of this and also deploy it easily. Each and every component is coded inside its appropriate file. So if you're interested, the link is given in the description.